Hey friends, in this video I'm going to share to you on how you can install the Facebook Messenger into your Windows. So please watch this video and let's go quick into the process. So on how you can log in into the Facebook Messenger on your Windows, you can log in into the Microsoft Edge or any browser that you have by clicking on or searching for Facebook right here. Click on login. But this could be very hassle if you are going to have or multitask into your Microsoft Edge browser, and then you can just simply click on the plus sign symbol to do your other task. But logging in into your Facebook Messenger, you still have to open the Microsoft Edge browser. Now, if you want an application, the Messenger application into your Windows, separate from that of the Microsoft Edge, like you are not going to log in into the Microsoft Edge so that you can log in into your Facebook Messenger and just directly log in into the Messenger application, then you can do that. In the Windows search bar, type here Store to open the Microsoft Store. Best match, go ahead and click on that. Now here in the Microsoft Store search bar, type here Messenger, hit enter. Now the first option, you have to click on that useful, social, and expressive messenger. It has also high ratings and garnered a lot of stars. Now you just have to click on this get button. So this is just like your messenger on your phone, but in your phone, this is just very easy to download it, and also for your Windows. So if you're doubting that you cannot download the Windows or the Facebook Messenger into your Windows, then you can do that. So we are just going to wait for this to be installed. So once installed, you can simply access into it. Type in the Windows search bar, Messenger, and this is now an application separate from that of the Microsoft Edge. So here you can simply enter your email or your phone number and of course your password. And if you want to keep signed in into your Messenger, just simply check this box and then click on continue and you will be signed in into your Facebook Messenger. Also, if you want to download Facebook and install it into your Windows, you can also do that. So if you have the Messenger, then you can also install the Facebook into your Windows. So the same in the Microsoft Store, just search for Facebook and then you can easily also get the Facebook application into your Windows. The process is just very easy and I hope this video helped you. Please do not forget to hit the like button and please also subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.